Okay, so I'm going to change the tires on my John Deere D110. I bought it in 2010. This is the old tire. Lasted me about 11 years. This is the new one. So the first thing, I'm going to use the jack and lift up the front of the riding mower. Put the jack at this point and lift it up. Okay, so now I got it lifted about 4 inches. I'm going to use this hook, slide into this rubber cap and pull it outwards, and it will just simply come out. Second, I'm going to use flat screwdriver, and there's this E-ring. I'm going to slide it in and try to push it upwards, and it just simply pop out. There we go. There it is. Third, this washer, simply slide it out, and at this point the whole wheel comes out. Remember one thing, that when you pull the wheel out, generally there's a washer that sits in the back in this area. So sometimes that washer gets stuck the back of the wheel. In this case it did, which is right here. So you need to remove that and put it back in. It just sits there. Okay, so now I'm gonna just simply slide this new tire in and just line up with the hole and simply try to push it in. I'm doing it with one hand. There it is. Once it's in, then we just simply reverse the process. The washer came out the last, so this one goes first. Let me show you one thing. This washer, you can see right there, there's this tiny groove right here. It locks itself into this groove, so you're gonna place it like that, and then I'm gonna use a channel lock to, you know, press it down so it can lock itself in. Anyway, so this one, the washer first. And what did I do with the washer? There it is. And then put this, place it on the channel. I'm going to use this channel lock and then press it down if I can. Not yet. Okay, trying again. There. You should be able to hear a click, and you should be able to spin it. You know, I can spin it. So that means it's free, sitting inside that channel, and it is locked. And the last thing, the cap goes back. And that's it. Done. So if I would have been using both of my hands, would have taken about a minute per tire. And in my experience, I'm doing it for the first time, and in my experience, if I can do it, and you just saw how easy it is, then anyone can do it. So go ahead and try it out.
There's a place. There's a smaller place, and there's a place.